This is the Fujifilm X-T100, Fujifilm's new interchangeable lens, XF mount, 24 megapixel APS-C sized X series camera with a viewfinder. This compact bodied camera is designed so that the user takes it with them everywhere they go. So that's what I did this weekend, starting at Snetterton Race Circuit. Panning shots aren't easy at the best of times, and especially hard when the subjects are British superbikes. However, the X-T100's phase detection autofocus locked on almost every time, with a newly designed algorithm making AF quick and precise. Being able to shoot at up to 6 frames per second in JPEG made it easier to catch exactly the right moments as the bikes pass by. Fujifilm's fantastic colour reproduction is also visible in these out-of-camera JPEGs, showing off the vibrancy of the riders' suits, helmets and bikes. You can also select one of 11 film simulation or 17 advanced filter modes for further enhancement of colour, contrast, or to apply various black and white settings. The next afternoon we headed to Dartmoor in preparation for a car show the following day. After taking some images on the journey, we ended up on the moors just as the sun was setting, giving the opportunity for some more creative shots. With full manual control, you're able to take photographs that would be difficult with your phone, and you don't have to carry around any big heavy equipment with you either. A mechanical shutter gives a top speed of 1/4000th of a second, with the selectable electronic shutter reaching speeds of 1/32,000th of a second for even the brightest situations. The electronic shutter is also completely silent, so that you can shoot away without being too intrusive, although this guy didn't seem to mind too much, however noisy we were. The mode dial lets you select various settings, including panorama mode, which stitches impressively well in camera. As the light disappeared, we got ready for an early start in the morning. The heavy mist soon transformed into a beautifully sunny day with abundant photo opportunities. The small form factor and retro styling made the camera appealing to carry around, and the tiltable rear screen made interesting angles easy to capture. After seeing some fantastic cars, the day was soon drawing to a close, and we made one final stop in the New Forest on the way home for our final couple of hours with the X-T100. This camera is just packed full of features for the budding photographer who wants a portable system. A removable grip that comes in the box means you can easily carry the camera with a stable ergonomic comfort, and the built-in flash is a great addition for those not wanting to miss any important moments, even in relative darkness. Dedicated external control dials, as well as a dedicated record button, customisable FN key and large dial to the left side of the viewfinder all add to the easy to use retro experience of photographing with this camera. The Fuji X-T100 lets you capture your journey the way you want to remember it.